In this Slate Byte, we'll walk through using some JavaScript code to mark the first registration block on a form as the primary registrant. In the video description below, you'll find a suitcase ID for an example form that already has the script applied, as well as a link to a forum article. To get started, navigate to the Forms section in Slate and edit a form. In our example form, you can see that we're using a registration block to allow a constituent to register multiple people in a single form submission. There are two components necessary for everything to work as desired. The first component is a form field with the export label of primary and the data type set to real. The second is the script itself. In the Edit Scripts and Styles section of the form, under the Custom Scripts tab is where the code must be placed. The example JavaScript can be found in the suitcased example form or in the linked article. What this JavaScript code does is look at the top replicate destination, so the first registration block appears on the form, and inserts a value of 1 into the form field with the export label of primary. Logic inside a registration block is most reliable when based on a numeric value, which is why the value of 1 is used in the primary form field. With the value of 1 being set, you can now apply logic to objects inside the registration block to show and hide them based on whether a 1 is returned in the primary form field or if the primary form field is null. In our example form, we're displaying gift information only to the primary registrant, so for any subsequent guests, the gift information will not be displayed. Likewise, we're conditionally displaying a header to indicate which registration is the primary and which is the guest. To display an object to the primary registrant, we simply filter for the primary form field numeric value and show the object if that value equals 1. To display an object to the guest registrant, we're using the standard form field exists filter, setting the operator to not exist, and selecting the primary form field. In short, if there is no value in the primary form field, display the object. Now let's see our form in action. For this example, we're not hiding the primary form field. On our form, you can see that there is a 1 in the primary form field, so the primary registrant header displays along with the additional gift information. When a new registrant is added, we can see that the primary form field is null, and thus the guest registrant header appears and the additional gift information is hidden. Since the script observes changes on the form, if the top registration block is deleted, the next registration block in line will get promoted to the primary registrant. Feel free to alter the script as you see fit, and always test thoroughly. I hope you found this video helpful. Smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.